Today we're going to learn how to use AutoCAD. First of all, we need to open up our student web and also the AutoCAD 2015, both located on your desktop. Let's open up student web, and now we have here our home page. This is where all our units of competency sit. We want you to scroll down to Produce Manual Computer-Aided Drawings and click on that. You can do this while AutoCAD's opening up at the same time. Let's scroll down till we get to step 5, CAD Drawing File Dropbox. Let's open up that. Here's the page that we can do all our drawings from. We're required to do 3 projects with the CAD drawing, and we're going to use oilstone cases 1, entertainment unit, and the chair. If we come down here, you can see some writing in blue. When you highlight or click on one of those highlighted words there, it will actually produce a template drawing for your next project. I have inserted a PDF drawing here of the oilstone template. Here we've got all the measurements we need, what lines are hidden, the heights we need, 16 and 10. You've probably all made one of these oilstones in your first year. The size of the oilstone, and there's a bit of writing here in headings. Let's drag that PDF off to the left or off to your other screen, and now AutoCAD's opened up. This is our front page of our AutoCAD, where all the drawing files are open, where they will open up. Yours might open up a little bit differently to mine, but we'll just locate the oilstone case template for Moodle, and let's click on that. Okay, here is our drawing area. So all the black area here is where we're going to be doing all our drawing. This is called, down the bottom here, it's called model space. So we can do all the drawing, whatever we want to do in here. We draw 1 to 1. So you've got to think of 3 meters as being 3,000 millimeters. So if we wanted to draw a line 3 meters long, we would type in 3,000. Above the drawing area we have our command ribbon. This is where all the commands are situated in here. We have the line command. If you hover over the line command, you'll get a breakdown of how that line works. And as with all the other ones as well, if you just hover over it, it'll break it down. The mainly the ones we're going to use for the oilstone are the line command, and a few other ones like this one here is offset. Hovering over it will give you an idea what that command is. There's one command up here, trim, that has 2 commands nested within it. The first one is trim, and the second one is an extend command. Let's just do a simple line now. Let's left click on the line command, bring your cursor down, and you can see on my cursor is probably bigger than yours. It's a lot longer in its different points. But you can see a blue text box there with 62,625. That is the point on the screen where you're going to be placing your point. Let's left click on that screen. And now if we drag our mouse to the right, you can see that text box now changing in the size. I want to draw a line 500 millimeters long. I would type in 500 millimeters and then press enter on the keyboard, enter. And that would, if I pull my mouse down, you can see I've got a line here to here. It's 500 millimeters long. If I pull my mouse down, that line's going to follow, and it's going to ask me what line length do I want. And I'll type on 500 again. And as you can notice, there's a degree on the side that will tell you what degree your line's going to be at compared with your line, the previous line you've just drawn. If you've noticed, my lines are going horizontal or vertical. I can change that by pressing F8 on the keyboard. Now wherever my mouse goes, as you can see, it's changing the direction of the line. It's also telling me what my degree is for the line and how long it is. For you in shop fitting, joinery, cabinet making, you tend to have your lines going vertically and horizontally. So let's press the F8 button again and we can get it going vertically and horizontally. I'll just type in 500 again just to make it easy and press enter. Okay, now it's getting a little bit big for the screen. I can zoom in by rolling my mouse wheel backwards and that will zoom the object down a bit. If I hold my mouse wheel down, just hold it down, you'll see a little hand appear. And I can hold that mouse wheel down and drag my model, the one I'm drawing, I can drag that around the screen. As soon as I let it go, it is stationary where it is. And I'm still on the line command. Now, I want to draw the line across the bottom here, but I've forgotten the measurement, measurement I drew up the top. An easy way, and this is what AutoCAD's good at, is to, if we come up here, hover over that corner. Did you see that writing change? I'll do it again. Come up, hover over the corner, went to endpoint. Don't touch the mouse keys and then come down. You'll see a little white cross appear down the bottom here. Do it again. Down to endpoint. See that cross down the bottom? If I click inside that cross, it will make the box the same length as what the top line is. Now, I could always go up and close it off, but if I type C on my keyboard, it will automatically, and press enter, close that text, close the box, the one you've just drawn.